How to fix FACEIT Anti-Cheat keyboard.sys error. Restart not working, Windows 10 and 11. This error usually happens because Windows security blocks the keyboard.sys driver, system files are corrupted, or FACEIT Anti-Cheat didn't install correctly. #main fix works for most people. Step 1. Fully close FACEIT and uninstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. 1. Close FACEIT client completely. Press Wins-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Uninstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. 4. Restart your PC. Don't skip restart. Step 2. Repair Windows system drivers. Very important. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait until 100%, then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC again. This fixes corrupted drivers like keyboard.sys. Step 3. Disable Windows features that block FACEIT. Many keyboard.sys errors are caused by core isolation and memory integrity. Turn them off. 1. Windows security. 2. Device security. 3. Core isolation details. 4. Turn off memory integrity. 5. Restart PC. Step 4. Disable virtualization features. FACEIT Anti-Cheat often fails if these are on. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Uncheck all of these if enabled. Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, Windows Sandbox. Click OK. Restart PC. Step 5. Delete FACEIT leftover files. Go to these folders and delete if they exist. You can see the code in our conversation history, then empty recycle bin. Step 6. Install FACEIT Anti-Cheat Fresh 1. Go to official FACEIT site. 2. Download FACEIT Anti-Cheat. 3. Right-click Installer, run as administrator. 4. Finish install, restart PC. 5. Open FACEIT, launch Anti-Cheat. Step 7. If still error, fix keyboard.sys manually, open command as admin, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Step 8. Final important checks. Disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Update Windows fully. Update chipset drivers. Make sure Secure Boot is enabled. Don't run emulator/VM software. FACEIT must be installed on C drive. Quick conclusion. Line for video. FACEIT keyboard.sys error happens when Windows blocks the system keyboard driver or FACEIT services are corrupted. Repairing Windows files, disabling core isolation, and clean, reinstalling FACEIT Anti-Cheat fixes it for most players. If you want, I can now build you a spoken full YouTube tutorial script, a short